Normally I keep the camera on manual focus, but I filmed an entire intro. And it wasn't even like barely focused. It was really bad. So it's on automatic. So if you hear noises, that's the camera. What's up, my nacho chips? It's just sweet. Me. It's just sweet. Z. I dyed my hair yesterday. It's blue, but it looks black. In the light, it actually looks blue. Well, today is Tuesday the 16th. And we're going to Texas tomorrow. Woo! So, I'm filming the intro right now because tomorrow I'm probably not going to have time because I'm going to try to straighten my hair. Tomorrow, the flight is at 5. We leave here at like 2:40. And it takes a while to straighten my hair. So I'm going to do that like tomorrow. I guess that's all. I think I said way more in the other outro. In the other intro that I did that was out of focus, so I had to redo it. But I don't know what I said. It's probably not important. Oh yeah, then upside down. It's a croissant moon. We made it to the airport. That's outside. All the different bags. She brought a small and a big one. He brought a single one. He brought one and a big one. That's not his. This one and a big one. Oh, there it is. Duffel bag. The messenger bag. And then she brought that one. That's it. And a snack bag. That doesn't count. And I brought, oh wait, pretend you didn't see that. I brought this one. I brought this one. Ooh, ooh. I brought that one in there. I brought that one. I brought them all. Explain your turbulence.
This is the evil bird. On the plane's wing. Right here. 4 flies. Everybody's screaming. This is what the plane has done.
Oh, okay. Ooh, look at that plane. It's gonna go phew. It's making it. It's almost there. It is almost there. It's going. I made a perfect score and she's dancing because I got a perfect shift. Okay, well it said it. I had a perfect shift. ASMR in the clouds. Ooh, 47 minutes. We're already past Disney and Universal. The lighting was really bad. I realized I could just open the window. Look at how small they are. They're so small. I got a ginger ale, apple juice, water, and then them. It is so small. Okay, it changed. I think it was this one. The pilot, yeah. Whoa, that is cool. We're landing now in Georgia.
Atlanta.
In 10 minutes. We're going through a cloud. Okay, but look.
The bird landed and farted. Look,
Whoa, look at the wings. They're like bent. Whoa. We're in Georgia.
and I'm gonna use those Georgia bathrooms.
Bro, Georgia bathrooms. Oh my god, I can't wait, dude. I gotta pee so bad. We have landed. The next one leaves at 8:25. It leaves in an hour. And we're gonna be flying for 3 hours and 15 minutes. That's a lot of stuff for 5 people. Look at it all. Ooh. Buckhead Books. Oh look, in the camera it looks way brighter than it actually is. The windows are so stupid. Look, there's one right here, but the seat is right here, but the window is so I can lift it. And then mine is like right there. I had to push the chair all the way back because it's so stupid, but it's okay. 3 hours and 15 minutes starting now. Ignore the dirty wind. Oh no, it's raindrops. It's rain. We're going. We're in taxi mode, as it says right there. Taxi.
We're going to dim cabin lighting for the duration of this flight for your comfort.
Yes, dim it for my comfort. This dude really said the plane's under maintenance, but he was talking about the AC. We were like, what? I also get this window. Ooh, it's purple. Hold up. Ew, look at it like that. Ooh, kind of cool, like a party. Oh, it's gone. Okay, never mind. God, I wasn't even recording. Okay, the light looks like ultraviolet. I don't know what it is, but it's like that color but darker everywhere. There's no pink, which is kind of cool. Okay, look at my bracelets. Hello. Ooh, Delta. It says Delta because we're flying. I opened the window, but I had closed it for a little bit, and then I opened it, and it was like I closed it, and then it was turned. My nose. You can see the sunset because we're going towards it, I guess. Everything looks purple because of the light in here, but it's not purple. Our snacks. I was eating an orange, and then I got orange juice, which is stupid. I probably should have gotten apple juice. Expedition unknown. And he's watching Migration or something. Yes. Gonna be on there. Then it loaded and everybody is on there. Look, he's just playing with everybody. He's just playing poker on the airplane with everybody here. That is so funny. This boy don't know what he's doing. And he said wait, did you win to all those people?
No, something happened.
Because look, all the people playing are all in seats A. He's the only one in D. So like I know who they are. It's a 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, and a 11, I think. Oh yeah, 11. I had to change the battery because like I turned it on and it completely just died. I wonder how much memory I've been using up just at the airport and the planes. Okay, I'm gonna stop recording until like tomorrow or something. Bye!